watching another video. We just made it out here to Orange County. Today's gonna be a lit day. If you guys have watched the last video, I told you guys that today we're gonna be meeting up with the guys at PQ and we're gonna be doing a dyno day. We got Jay's car here, the G80 M3 For. If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it. We did a whole video on his car. But anyways, we are here right now in Orange County and we're about to do a dyno on the G80, the burgundy one. He just got some new mods done to it, so it's gonna be fast, bro. I'm excited to see. Should we start filming like this?
Where are you going?
Guys, I want to start filming like this. David, you want me to film it?
I do it for like
I'll pay you like
first
$2
couple
an
hours.
hour.
I do it for the first couple hours.
Look at the G80. It's just fire.
Bro, he got new tires, look.
Oh.
Bro, these tires just look so good, bro.
So we can finally not spin? It's all-wheel drive though, but he's on the front too.
Damn, bro, he needs a wash, bro.
I think it's a little thicker than that. Hey, Jay. That's the big car here over there.
What's this shit right now?
They're about to tune the G80, or retune it. He got some new mods done to it. I can't talk about it, but it's supposed to be faster.
You gonna drive it?
Faster G80.
Are you gonna drive it?
I don't know. He told me he'll let me take it for a couple days. Well, I take it for a couple days. I'm not taking it back. I'm keeping it.
Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go to
Your girl's house?
your girl's house, his girl's house. I'm just kidding. Kidding. I'm about to take his car. I don't know. We'll make hella content with it though. Guys, this is what happened on YouTube the other day.
What? Pretend I'm the audience.
But we can't cuss anymore, guys, on YouTube. I got copyrighted. Not copyrighted. Demonetized, bro. For cussing and doing illegal activities. Hopefully YouTube doesn't get strict. But
So we can't cuss no more.
no more cussing. Family friendly. Hey, don't look at my nitrous, homie.
Reason my nitrous.
Guess who's back, you guys, from a vacation.
Where'd you go?
Back. I went to New York. Let's go. That shit was too cold.
Oh,
Bro.
boys.
Literally 30 degrees.
How cold?
That shit had my cheeks freezing.
PQ G80. He's about to tune it today. Put it on the dyno. So it's gonna be freaking sick. Right now they're just stressing because they need a cord to plug into the computer to tune it. And I guess the cord that they have isn't working. So Jay right now is gonna go get a new cord, hopefully. And we can hopefully tune this thing. Because I wanna see this thing on the dyno, bro. It's gonna be sick. And it's gonna make a lot of power. And it's all-wheel drive, so it's not spinning, bro. Believe it or not, it's gonna be faster than Jay's M4, so it's gonna be crazy. Wow, what is this? This shop looks sick. All Porsches. Oof. Another Porsche out here. BBS wheels on it. It's so clean. There's a lot of Porsches. There's definitely a Porsche shop. This one's yours, or? Oh, this is not wide body. Yours is wide body. Yours got the Mansory kit on. This is my dream daily, guys. Imagine daily driving this.
Imagine this and an adventure door,
Bro, look at this car, guys.
bro. Right? Or am I tripping?
Oh my god.
Isn't that like a really like...
Bowden? Yeah. Baller car. Alright guys, so I was kidding. We're not dynoing the car. We're taking delivery of our new supercar. I wish. Bro, I think this is like $1 million car.
Bro, it's the one that DD had.
Yeah. What is it called? I don't even know what they're called. Everyone's gonna hate me in the comments.
Carrera. That's what it's called, no? Carrera GT?
Yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm not a Porsche guy. They're gonna roast us for sure, but
Like a $2 million car.
I told you.
$2 million? Get you one of the price.
You can leave it right there, brother, for me. Just leave it right there, please.
Bro, look at like how careful they are here.
Yeah, bro, I'd be scared to move this car.
It is here for a tune.
A tune? Damn. Michelin Cup 2s.
How much are they?
I think they're a lot.
For real?
Yeah.
Everyone, take a guess on how expensive this car is. Take a guess.
Me and David looked it up right now, and it's
Give me a second. Comment down below right
more
now.
than we could afford, pal. Look at. This is how much we probably think this is worth. 2.4 mil. Wow, bro. That's insane. Don't even get close to it, David. Don't even look at it, bro. One day, bro.
This shit even looks crazy, bro.
It looks insane. Look at the exhaust. Have you looked at the exhaust, David? Look at it. The interior is so nice, too. I want to hear this. What the?
Electric.
No way it's electric, bro. Bro, I was waiting for it to make noise.
What's your exhaust tip on that?
I don't know. I'm really confused right now. Because I thought I was going to hear a loud ass exhaust, but it's a hybrid, bro. Expecting that shit to be stupid loud. Why was it so quiet? It made zero noise. That was quieter than a Tesla, bro.
No, for sure. The Tesla has like that went from straight to the engine.
I know. I want to hear.
Fucking F1 car.
rim collection.
If you guys want any wheels, we don't have the whole set, but we have one of them. So you just need to buy the other 3.
Yeah, so like, or if you're lucky, we'll have like 1 and 1. Then like you put like another mix. But that's about it.
That's me and Khalifa. 1 out of 10.
I can call it 6.5, 7.
Bro, it's a lighter. Pick those up.
These people are just picking up wheels. We're still trying to figure it out, guys. It sucks, but this is the dyno right here. Looks sick. I should put my GTR on here. Looks like an all-wheel drive dyno too.
You can get it. You can get it. I'll air your shit out.
I'll wind up with you. I don't give a fuck.
What's going on, boss?
We're in the city of South Bay, and we're trying to get this car to work. Hold up. Wait, that was a good one, This guy Jay is fried.
Alright guys, well that was kind of a fail. They're not tuning the G80 after all today. Fortunately, bro, I was super excited to see that. We're probably gonna come back another day. We'll see what else we get into. It's gonna be lit no matter what. Huh? And we got Jay in the G82 M4. And we got the homie Yusuf in his G82 M4. This is all-wheel drive. He just did a dig right now with us in it. I think it might beat me off the launch, bro. How many G80s have been in the vlogs, guys? Way louder than G80s. Crazy how many G80s have been in the vlogs lately, guys. Every single vlog has a G80 in it nowadays. Oh my god. Let's do a dig? I love how they hit red line, man. That shit's hard. Hey! This is literally my kind of breakfast right now, guys. Red Bull and Skittles. I know, look, it matches my car. FindingNick special right here. Red Bulls and some Skittles. I eat Skittles almost every day, guys. Fun fact. It's not good. G80's everywhere, bro.
You got the GTR and he doesn't know how to act out.
He's feeling himself for sure. Look, he got the hand out the window.
Oh boy.
Alright, well, I thought I was gonna end the video, but I guess we're gonna go for a little drive one more time with the G80s. And David in the GTR. Hopefully David doesn't crash my car. Where's David at? Where's my GTR at, bro? Woo! You guys have been wanting to see me in a BMW. Hello?
Where did you go?
Huh?
Where did you go?
We made a left. Woo! Oh my god, bro. Brake boosting is so sick. Bro, is it just me or am I seeing so many burgundy cars that I'm in now that I'm in the G80? Like there's burgundy cars everywhere, bro. Look, another one. I've never seen this many burgundy cars, bro. Like I'm not tripping out. What the heck, bro? I can't make this up. Oh my god, bro, this shit is too fast, dude. Damn. On 3 of the G80s. Well, G80, G82s. Looks so sick, bro. I feel like I'm a Beamer guy right now. I'm literally just driving Adrian's car like it's mine, bro. Again, shout out to the homie for letting me drive it, but this is crazy. I'm telling you guys, there's been so many G80s in the past couple videos that I've been vlogging. Every single vlog has had like one G80 in it, at least. I feel like these G80s though are just getting so much more popular now. Like even TJ Hunt got one, if you guys haven't seen that. TJ Hunt got one. Everybody's getting G80s now. Which one do you guys like the best? You guys like the 4-door G80 in burgundy? Or you like Jay's M4 and the midnight blue with the sick ass taillights? Or do you like the gray one? It's kind of like a Nardo gray, but it's way lighter. It's like a chalk gray pretty much. But it looks like it has like a metallic in it. Which one do you guys like better? They're all sick, bro. I think the one I'm driving is the fastest, but this shit is so sick. I don't want to drive it. I don't even want to take it back, guys, because I'm having so much fun driving it. Or would you guys take this thing, the 340i? This might be the fastest one here. Sheesh. There's no way it's that loud, bro. Everyone's like, what the heck? David's over here driving my GTR, guys. He better not crash it. See, when I see my car driving though, I don't want to sell it, bro. Like it's really a GTR. I don't know about those brakes though. God damn. Sheesh. That shit is badass, bro. Damn, it's so sick hearing it drive, bro. I never get to see my own car drive.
It sounds good.
Alright guys, we got all the homies with us. I never get to see my own car drive. Oh my god, dude. It's so sick. I feel like you guys never get to see this perspective of my own car. Bro, this car just sounds so crazy. Oh my god, bro. It pulls so hard. Hey, look at this wrap. It's definitely a girl's car, huh? You think so? God damn, what is this, bro?
You get
Why are
fast?
you scared, bro? Damn, that shit's crazy, bro. For real? That shit sound like a 2-second car.
Papa Willie.
Drivers.
It's on parking and it was moving while he revved it.
Yeah, that's crazy. But you guys see that?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.